This is where a lot of students kind of lose focus because the road drifts right and left. So stay in the lane you're in, squeeze your brake. Good job.
We're
Nice.
going straight.
You will squeeze the brake first. The answer is yes. Nice. Take your time. I love this route because the speed limit is 45, then it turns into 50. Then you're going to have a double roundabout. Midwest. Probably similar to the UK. Good. Keep driving. Good. Find the speed limit. Okay, I'm going to make you work. I need you to get over one lane to the right.
So,
Yes, up, and then check your mirrors. Good. Go ahead and get us over. Nice job. Good. And then cruise this at 45. Get up to the speed limit. Good job. Nice. Excellent job. Good. I love this course. Curvy, fast. Your instructor should be taking you on different courses all the time to get better. Some students go really slow. Everyone's a little bit different. I try to get students on the most challenging courses. You got to err on the side of caution. We're driving beginning drivers, and most of the time they lose a little focus. You're doing great. You see the curve, love it. Keep it up. Or they look at the guardrail and hit the guardrail. Good. Keep the speed. Excellent. Good. You're right about 40. You're doing great. Excellent.